In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use callout blocks in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Now, if you're new to Notion or just want to make your notes a little more engaging, callout blocks are a fantastic way to do so. They help emphasize important information, keeping your Notion pages organized and easy to digest. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is type /callout. This command is your gateway to creating a callout block in Notion. It's quick and straightforward. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. So simply select callout from the list. This action will automatically create a callout block for you, complete with an icon and a highlighted background. This visual element is really useful for drawing attention to key points on your page. Once you've created your callout block, the next step is to add your text. Think of the callout block as a highlighter for your digital workspace. Whether it's a must-know fact, a quick reminder, or an essential note, this is the place to make it stand out. Simply click inside the block and type the information you want to emphasize. It's a simple yet effective way to make certain information pop. Now, let's make it visually appealing. Notion allows you to customize your callout block by tweaking the icon and background color. First, click on the icon next to your block's text to change it. You can choose from a variety of emojis or upload your own image, giving your callout a personal touch. Next, click on the block itself to bring up the color palette. Here, you can select from several background colors to match your style or mood. Customization is key, and these little tweaks can make your workspace not only functional, but also pleasant to look at. Finally, let's talk about your content. Callout blocks are incredibly versatile. You can use them for tips, notes, or even warnings, any information that requires emphasis. For instance, if you're making a to-do list, a callout block can highlight the most urgent tasks. If you're sharing a recipe, use a callout block to note allergy warnings or important cooking tips. The possibilities are endless, and using these blocks thoughtfully can make your Notion documents much more dynamic and effective. And there you have it. A simple guide to using callout blocks in Notion. By following these steps, you've learned how to create a callout block, add and emphasize text, customize the appearance, and utilize them for various purposes. Enhance your organizational skills, and transform your Notion pages with this feature. Happy Notioning, and see you in the next video.